Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Islam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, mathematics exercise 7b for 7th class students and exercise 13b for new syllabus mathematics D1. And question number 5 is, there is a trapezium ABCD in which AB is 35.5 cm, BC is 18 cm, DC is 20 cm, DA is 16 cm, and CE, that is perpendicular, is 15 cm, and DC and AB are the parallel lines. And we have to find the area of the trapezium as well as we have to find the perimeter of the trapezium. So students, first I will find the area, and you should keep in mind that the area of the trapezium is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by height multiplied by sum of parallel side. So I will write the formula. Area of trapezium is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by height multiplied by sum of parallel sides. Now students, values will be replaced. 1 over 2 multiplied by these two lines AB and DC are parallel lines. So CE is the height and its value is 15. So I will write 15 multiplied by parallel sides are DC and AB. So I will write 20 plus 35.5, and all the measurements are in centimeter, so area will be in centimeter square. Now students, it is written as 1 over 2 multiplied by 15 multiplied by sum of both the numbers 20 plus 35.5, and we will have 55.5 centimeter square. Now students, I will use calculator to find the product of all the three numbers, and that is 416.25. 416.25 centimeter square is the area of this trapezium. Now students, we have to find the perimeter, and perimeters mean the total distance from point A to B plus B to C plus C to D plus D to A, and I will sum up all the measurements except CE because it is not a part of perimeter. So students, if we add up AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, and that will be the perimeter of this figure. So I will find the perimeter now. So students, second part is perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. And now students, the value of AB is 35.5 plus BC is 18 plus CD is 20 plus DA is 16, and the unit for perimeter will be centimeter. Now students, I will sum up all the numbers. There is only one digit after point, so it is written as 5. And now 6 plus 0 means 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. And 1 carry, 3 and 1, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So perimeter is 89 centimeter. So we have found out area and perimeter of this trapezium. Students, question number 6 of the same exercise. PQRS is a trapezium in which PQ is 12 meter, PS is 13 meter, and PT, that is perpendicular or height for this trapezium, because RS and QP are parallel lines. So PT will be the height and its value is 10 meter. And the area of this trapezium is 150 meter square, and perimeter of this trapezium is 54.7 meter. And we have to find RS as well as we have to find QR. So students, when we apply the formula of area of trapezium, then we will find the value of RS because area is given one parallel line is given and height is given, so we will find the parallel side, second parallel side. And students, when we will find the value of RS, then perimeter is given, this side is given, this side is given, and the value of RS we will find it out, and then we will find the value of RQ by using the formula perimeter of trapezium is equal to PQ plus QR plus RS and plus ST. So you students, we will apply the formula. Area of trapezium is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by height multiplied by sum of parallel sides, and in this way we will find the length of RS. The area of trapezium is given, that is 150 meter square, so I will write 150 is equal to 1 over 2 and height is given, that is 10, multiplied by sum of parallel side, and one parallel side is 12 and other parallel side RS we have to find. Now students, 2 and 10 are the multiples of 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, and it will become 150 is equal to 5 into 12 plus RS. 5 is multiplying with 12 and RS. When we transfer it to the side, it will divide and written as 150 over 2 is equal to 12, not 2, 150 over 5 is equal to 12 plus RS. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 0s are 0, so it will become 30, and 12 student is plus on right side. When we transfer it to the side, it will become minus is equal to RS, and when we subtract 12 from 30, we will get 18 is equal to RS. So the value of RS is 18 meter. So RS is students 18 meter. Now we will apply the formula perimeter of trapezium and will find the value of RQ. Now students, I will write perimeter of trapezium is equal to PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP, and perimeter of trapezium is given, that is 54.7, and PQ is 12 centimeter plus QR we have to find plus RS, the value of RS is find it out and it is 18 plus, and SP is 13. Now students, 12 plus 18 means 30, 30 plus 30 means 43, so 54.7 is equal to 43 plus QR, and 43 is plus on right side. When I transfer it to the side, it will become minus, and 54.7 minus 43 is equal to QR. So students, we will subtract 43 from 54 and the value of QR will become 7, as it is point. From 4 we will subtract 3 and it will be 1, and from 5 we will subtract 4 and it will be 1. So QR is 11.7 meter. So we have find it out both the sides of the trapezium. Students, question number 7 of the same exercise is ABCD is the trapezium in which AD and BC are parallel line and AB is perpendicular, and that will be the height, and we have to find the area of the shaded region. So students, for finding out area of shaded region, first we will find the area of the trapezium, and then we will subtract the area of this triangle, and area of trapezium is equal to half of height multiplied by sum of parallel sides. And when we will find the area of triangle EBC, then base will be 14 and height of this triangle will be AD, because it is perpendicular and these two lines are parallel lines. So if we drop the perpendicular from E to ABC, then its length will also be 12 centimeter. Students, keep in mind that the distance between two parallel lines is always equal. That's why they are the parallel line. So if the height of these two parallel lines is 12 centimeter from A to B, then if we draw perpendicular from E to BC, then it will be also 12 centimeter. So keep in mind this thing. So first we will find the area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to half of height multiplied by sum of parallel sides. So students, I will write 1 over 2 multiplied by height is 12 and sum of parallel side means 10 plus 14 and the unit of area is square, so I will write centimeter square. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12 and 6 into 24 centimeter square. Now I will multiply 24 and 6, 6 4s are 24, 2 carry 6 4s are 12 and 2 14, 144 centimeter square is the area of complete trapezium. Now students, I will find the area of triangle EBC and I will write area of triangle EBC is equal to half of base multiplied by height. And students, 1 over 2 multiplied by base of this triangle is 14 and the height of this triangle is 12 as I have explained earlier, and the unit of area is centimeter square. So students, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14 and 7 12s are 84 centimeter square is the area of triangle. So the shaded area of shaded region, area of shaded part or region will be 144 minus 84 centimeter square. Students, subtract 4 from 4 and it will be 0 and then subtract 8 from 14 and we will have 6. So the area of shaded part is 60 centimeters square.